Boom Pals app here. We have the BB8. I guess it's called Sphero.
No, it's BB8.
No, I mean the company that makes it, I guess.
Oh.
It is a little robot.
And as you can see,
Engaging personality, legendary loyalty, skillware, app-enabled guidance, voice interaction, extremely agile, exceptionally durable, all kinds of other things.
this is the app. As you can see, it's all disconnecting. Okay.
We got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. We're going to see how it runs. You got an app there?
Mm-hmm.
What's it doing?
It's naming the parts of it.
Oh. Okay, so you download the app, supposed to be controlling it. Oops, didn't break it.
You do.
The new Disney Star Wars.
Wait, oh, that was Disney?
Yeah, Disney has Star Wars now.
Enjoy your new BB8.
Alright, so what we'll do is it's BB8 app enabled. Hold on. Shows you how to charge it. You put them down inside the charging cradle.
Look, you can drive it,
And then you download the app.
message,
But you've already downloaded the app.
and control, watch with me. Wait, it can watch Star Wars. Wow.
Interesting.
Cool. Take it out. Yes, its head can come off, but it's like a magnet. See, look. See?
Oh, he's jumping around. Oh.
Okay, I press the drive button. I'll put him down.
Don't we gotta charge it first. He's moving all around. Oh, it's not jumping. It must be the servo inside or whatever.
Let's charge it.
Alright. I'll pull this stuff out then. Here's the charging disc thing. It's USB.
I'm just gonna go ahead and put him on there.
And the cord.
I wonder if we can like drive him while he's in here. Like go.
Is it? That's good. Alright, so we got the USB cord and we'll plug it in and see what he does. It's kind of neat. He's got like a servo inside, so when you turn him around, his little head's moving.
Cool. This is really cool.
Alright.
So he's always facing the same direction, no matter which way you turn him.
Bring it over here.
For his
Turn
head
the
is
light so we can
slanted.
see. Pull this cord out of the little container.
Why'd you put it on there?
Just keep it for now.
Plug it in there and then plug it into the device thing. Charger.
Alright, let me plug it in. Hold on a second. Alright, so he's plugged in. Little button on the side we press. He's starting to blink.
What does that mean?
I guess it means he's charging.
How long do you think it takes?
I don't know. Probably not very long.
Pause the video.
Why? Kind of neat looking.
Look at that. I'm turning his body and he's still facing the same way.
I'll leave him alone. Oh, there he goes.
I guess that he's done.
No, he's not done. You got to charge
Why
it
is
for
he
a while.
moving?
Here, let me go see if there's any other instructions. Oh. He's doing all this on his own.
Tapped it.
Yeah, don't tap it.
Can I please just...
No!
Ah.
We gotta let him charge.
Okay, pause the video and let him charge.
Alright, it says move the blinking blue aim light until he's pointing toward you. So, go like this. See the aim light? See he's pointing at us?
There.
Oh, let go of that. It's not pointing at us. There it is. See how it's pointing at us? Alright. Now, next. Move the joystick to drive BB8. Try it. Well, we're going to have to let him sit there and charge for a minute.
He looks fine. Let's just see how far he can go with the battery he has now.
No. We want him to sit and charge. Okay, a quick Google search says that whenever that blinking light stops blinking, the BB8 is fully charged. So I have a very impatient 10-year-old that really wants to play with this thing, but it's still blinking. He's got a little camera in his eye. That's pretty cool. Take videos, 12-second videos, yeah.
That mud monster is about to eat my fairy flies.
What are you talking about?
Look, he stopped blinking.
All right, it's only been a few minutes. And he stopped blinking probably about 10. Oh, what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Wait, ignore him. See if he does something else. Oh, you opened up the app.
Yep, let's go.
Jeez, calm yourself. All right, so you got the app open. And you're wiggling. Stuff in my chair that I can't sit down. All right, so what do? You point the blue light at you.
This is fun.
Now, can you turn on the voice activation and stuff, or are you just going to drive them around?
Come over on it.
See, it's like a remote control, basically.
And this is hard. Next.
That's the sensitivity or the speed. Turn it down like midway.
What does that mean?
I don't know what you're doing.
That means no. Yes. No. Yes.
Here, get closer to him so I can see what he's doing while you're doing it. Get closer.
Okay.
Freaking out, man. Why is he wiggling all around?
Because I pressed this button.
What does that button do?
I don't know.
We need to find that out.
I think it's supposed to make him wiggle around. He's saying yes. Yes.
So that's yes, okay.
No.
Okay.
This one's yes.
Right,
This
give it
one's
something
no.
else.
Okay.
Drive, message, patrol, watch with me.
Okay, I'm gonna go down.
Settings, here's settings.
Okay. Where's the voice activating thing?
Probably in settings.
Okay, I went to settings.
UI sounds. You can microphone question mark.
How does this work?
Tap on the microphone.
There's no microphone.
Well, read it. The microphone be used with BB8's voice recognition and to record audio and holographic messaging. Grant
Microphone?
access to the following permissions. Might have to go to. Well, it's not showing, is it?
I think I have to close the app. Then, do it again. Okay, I'm restarting the app.
Restarting the app.
Yep.
Right.
And he turned off. He turned off.
Stopped wiggling when you turned it off?
Yep.
This is mine, you know. You guys aren't playing with it. Why is the floor dirty? You guys need to clean up in here.
I don't know.
So is he starting to react to it now? Oh, you gotta wait?
Gotta wait.
Well, it takes a long time. Trouble connecting. What?
Done. Okay.
What did you do? Oh, there it is.
But
Blue.
Oh, here.
It's Bluetooth.
Remind me later.
Yeah.
Oh, please work this time. Please work.
Nope. He wiggling.
Okay. Oh.
All right, let me figure this out. Okay, so it just allowed you access now.
Allow access of the camera.
Okay, so you got the camera and the microphone. Allow access to whatever that is. What does it say?
Don't allow notifications.
What? No, allow them. It's okay.
Okay, BB8. Look around.
Say look around. Well, he's looking around. It's taking off.
Okay, BB8.
He's looking around, see? There you go.
Okay, BB8.
You can't get over that hump.
It's a trap.
It's a trap. It's a trap.
Stop repeating.
I'm not repeating. He's running away because it's a trap.
Made him stuck.
Bolted to the ground, so if somebody tried to come in, they'd have to.
Mind me later.
And that thing bolted?
Are you controlling it now?
What are you doing? Wrong way. This way.
It loves you.
I think his speed isn't fast enough.
Well, you probably need to increase the speed in settings. Oh, there he goes. He's taking off. Oh, he's up under the table. Oh, his head fell off.
Oh my
Great.
gosh.
Great, he turned red.
No, now he's just like a little ball. There. Okay.
Just great.
Okay.
You killed him. Nope, no, he's back alive. Try not to make it. Oh, hey, don't scratch him.
That way. That way.
So is it controlled by an app?
Yeah, it's controlled by an app, and he's supposed to have his own personality.
Has a personality?
Yeah, it's supposed to be some type of artificial intelligence, but we know how that goes. But we'll see as it goes along. I'll let her play with
Has
it.
about a personality like Shiloh.
I'll let her play with it for a while and we'll see
Okay,
what it does.
towards Mama. No!
All right, we'll let her play with it and we'll
He
see.
has a personality
she
like
gets.
Mama.